Well, it's a little after 12:30 noon, and I got her done. The snow pile is really getting huge. I call this Mount Klekowitz. If the Lilliputians go skiing on that mountain, they'll have to be careful. Could be an avalanche. That's that side. There's a smaller mountain on that side. And we go through between my cars. Big pile there. And a big pile there. And as my friend Pat has told me many times, this is what it means. This is my payback for living out in the rurals. Look at the snow. But my long driveway up to the mailbox is all snow blowed off. We're getting snow yet, but that's the after effect. It usually when we get it from the comes in from the middle of the country, from the from the south, it gets over Lake Michigan and does a little circle, but this snow hopefully won't amount to too much. Now I got to go to the horse farm. It's kind of a pretty winter scene, driving over to the horse farm today. The snow stuck to a lot of the trees. My big Lee eating is, he bounces his bucket around thinking that the harder he pounds it, the faster he'll get something in there. Lee is a horse that requires many kisses. Kiss, 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 kiss. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss, kiss. This is a parking side of the horse farm. It was plowed. You can see the snowbanks are getting pretty high here. I'm just waiting for Regal and Big Girl to finish eating, and then I'll head back home. Light snow yet, nothing to worry about. It'll probably be a few days before maybe I have to snow blow again and shovel. Wow. Yeah. It's been quite a winter so far. We've had worse winters. I remember a couple of them where it virtually shut everything down for several days. This one isn't too bad so far. This is the the north end of the horse farm. That gate there is normally closed in the summertime. We ride through there in the wintertime to cut through. The path here sometimes goes over a lot of ice and where the pond extends over it. So we ride through that gate and then up in that area, and then there's another opening in the fence that we get back out on the trail, bypassing the big pond here. But in the summertime, that's closed because the horses go out to the back 30 or 40 acres of grazing that's up in that area. In the wintertime, they're shut out of there. They're shut away from it for the winter. This is our herd. Lee is right up there. Lee, he says, don't bother me while I'm eating hay. Don't bother me while I'm eating hay. Marilyn, who owns the horse farm, made this for me. It's got to cool off. It looks delicious. Just heading home from the horse farm.